Hello there, and welcome back to Wondershare Dr.Fone. My name is Francisco, and today we will be discussing the ways that can be used to solve the iPhone sound not working problem. So before we get started, please make sure to subscribe to our official channel and hit the bell icon for all of the latest updates. So with that, let's get started with the discussion of resolving the iPhone sound issues. Check your iOS system and then repair it. So to start with checking the issue of sound on your iPhone, you can start by checking the iOS version installed on your device. While you look out for the version, you need to check if updating your iOS version is even required or not. How to do a software update. If it is required to perform a software update on your iOS device, you can follow the steps discussed next for executing the task. First, just open up the settings of your iPhone and then continue to the general settings, as in the available list, and then continue into the software update option on the next screen. As you leave next, this opens a window where your iPhone checks if an update is required. If you find an update that needs to be installed, just choose the download and install button to update the iOS version from there. Use Wondershare Dr.Fone system repair for iOS to repair iPhone. So although checking the iOS version and updating it might repair the iPhone not ringing problem, or when it comes to its sound issues, you might still face the same issue. So if you're still facing that problem, it is necessary to move to other solutions. Wondershare Dr.Fone system repair for iOS represents a great solution in the form of a system repairing tool. So users who are facing any type of system issues on their iOS devices can have their devices repaired in an instant. Wondershare Dr.Fone system repair for iOS turns out to be a good option for repairing problems of sounds in iPhone. So to know how it is done, do follow the instructions coming up. First, you need to launch Dr.Fone on your computer and attach your iPhone with a cable connection. Lead to the toolbox section from the left panel and then select System Repair from the options available. Continue to select the option of iOS on the next screen and proceed to click the iOS Repair button to continue repairing your iPhone. Now following this, just select Standard Mode as the effective repair mode for your iPhone. The screen will just redirect you to put your iPhone in recovery mode. If you are aware of putting your iOS device in recovery mode, just execute and select the option of Enter Recovery Mode. However, those who are not aware of how to put their iPhones in recovery mode must select the Guide button and follow the instructions to put their iPhone in recovery mode. The next screen displays all of the available iOS firmware that can be installed on the iPhone. So just select any particular firmware that would be available by clicking the Download button adjacent to it. You will start downloading the respective firmware on your iPhone. When it downloads, the platform verifies and makes it available for installation. After clicking Repair Now on the screen, the process starts and executes in just a little while. So here are going to be 9 other ways to check your iPhone sound not working problem. So as you have assessed a prominent technique of repairing the no sound on iPhone issue, there are going to be some other options that you can check to resolve the specific problem. So instead of going through such lengths as an extensive solution, trying out these options might actually get you out of the situation in a matter of seconds. So we have sorted out 9 ways for you that you can use to check your iPhone sound problem and be able to resolve it. Number 1 is going to be to check your sound settings to turn off silent mode. The first thing that every user should check is the sound settings of their iPhone. You might have turned off the sounds of your iPhone and put it in silent mode for other reasons. To turn off the toggle, just use the side toggle available on the iPhone and then turn off the silent mode. In other situations, just scroll down from the top right of the screen to open the control panel. As it opens, just increase the sound using the available slider. Number 2, clean your receivers and speakers before concluding problems with your software. Do check the receivers and speakers on your iPhone and then see if there is any dirt or other particles stuck on them. This can cause issues with the sound output of the device, which might seem quite odd to you. So just clean them using the right tools and cleaning equipment to clear out all particles from the openings of speakers and receivers. Number 3, check the sound on your device. The sound settings can be altered on your iPhone, which may be causing issues of iPhone no sound on calls. If so, you will have to check the sound settings on your iOS devices thoroughly. So follow through the steps to learn how to check the sound on your iOS device. So first, open the settings of your iPhone and then lead into the sounds and haptic settings. Then continue to the next screen to discover the slider under the ringtone and alert volume section. Use it to increase the sound on your device. Number 4, try making a call. Another manual way of checking the sound of your iPhone is to make a call to another person and try to see if you can hear their voice from every available speaker on your device. After making a call, hear their voice from the earpiece speaker and then see if it is clear and audible. Follow through to check the sound of your iPhone by turning the call on the loudspeaker. Number 5, try headphones. You can also try using the headphones in your iPhone and see if they are working properly or not. If you're hearing the voice on your headphones with the finest results, the problem does not involve your device's sound. Try attaching and detaching the headphone again and verify if the sound remains optimal every time. Number 6, just turn off Bluetooth. So another scenario that involves the problem of no sound on an iPhone is the connection of the iOS device with a Bluetooth device. If your iPhone is connected to a Bluetooth device, it won't give out a sound in the output. Thus, it is best to just turn off the Bluetooth settings on your iPhone, which can be easily done by accessing the respective option in the settings of your iOS device. Number 7, turn off Do Not Disturb to fix no sound on iPhone. There is a prominent chance that the Do Not Disturb function has been enabled on your iPhone, which is leading to you not being able to hear any sound on your iPhone. If so, you can easily turn it off to fix the problem by following the steps provided below. So just scroll down from the top right corner to open the control center. Tap on the moon-like icon adjacent to the focus option to turn off Do Not Disturb on your iPhone. Number 8, restart your iPhone. If you're still facing the problem of the iPhone not ringing after trying out all available options, you should consider restarting your iPhone. This will resolve all kinds of temporary bugs that are causing system problems. To know how to restart your iPhone properly, just follow the steps coming right up. First, open the settings of your iPhone and then lead over to the general settings. Look for the option of shutdown in the following list to turn off the iPhone from there. So just turn on the iPhone again using the power button to successfully restart the iPhone. Number 9, factory reset your iPhone. This is going to be the least favorable option, but in conditions where there is no option left for you to secure the problem of your iPhone, you will have to take some abrupt actions. So factory resetting your iPhone properly using the available options provided next should do the trick. So just launch the settings and open the general option to lead next. For the transfer or reset iPhone option to access the respective settings. Follow through and then go ahead and select the option of erase all content and settings to continue with the on-screen instructions to factory reset your iPhone. So this video has provided you with some prominent techniques for repairing the problem of iPhone sound not working on your device. With all of the marked solutions, we hope that you will be able to find a solution to your problem. If you're satisfied with the video, do give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for all of the latest updates. Until then, see you in the next video.